Hello, this is Jamina Velasquez, and I'm about to make an instructional video for my students to help them set up an Edmodo account to follow my class. This exercise will also help me review the theme about following instructions in English for them. So first of all, guys, you have to go to your Google search or any other kind of search engine that you use, and then you're gonna write down Edmodo. Here I actually have it already, so it's gonna pop up there. There you go, Edmodo. Search for that app, and here it is. So we're gonna go there, and you are going to use this one here in the center. I'm a student, to create your account, okay? So we click in that, and it's gonna open. So you're gonna put all your information in here. I'm gonna put mine, when Velasquez, username. We can use you can choose and pick your username, and write down your email. Perfect. Choose a password. I would suggest that you use a password that you are familiar with, so you don't forget it. Here you go. It says here, user available. Perfect. So sign up for free. Let's go. Oh, okay. Group or code required. Give me a second. Okay, so we are gonna continue now. Here we were missing the class or group code. This one for our English class here at NSOG will be PPY8TI. So you have to write that down so you can be added to our English class, okay guys? So let's go sign up for free. Let's give it a second. And here you go. Well, it says provide your parents' contact information so that we can notify them that you're using Edmodo. You can write here your parents' email. Most of my students are over 17, 18 years old, so it's not really necessary. Just write any email. It can be your personal email also. Let's put my other email account. Perfect. There you go. Continue. Here you go. And now you are now signed in, and you are already in the group, in the English group. Here you see the classes English. This is where I'm gonna give you all the program for the classes, all the homework that you need to do, and I'll be here keeping a tab on your progress, and I can give you feedback on your work. So go ahead and do that, and I'll send you another video for what's coming next. Thank you.